Hi students, in previous class we saw Newton's laws of motion, that is dynamics. Today we will see fundamental forces of the universe. These four basic forces are: first, the gravitational force; second, the electromagnetic force; third, the strong interaction force; and fourth, the weak interaction force. First we see gravitational force. This is the force of interaction between two massive bodies. F is equal to G into m1 m2 divided by r square. Two massive bodies having mass m1 and m2. The distance between two massive bodies, that is r, and F is gravitational force, G is constant. This is the mathematical relation for gravitational force. For example, the weight of a body results from Earth's gravitational interaction. The gravitational interaction between Earth and Sun keeps the Earth in elliptical orbit around the Sun. See, this is the example. कुठलीही वस्तू जर वर फेकली तर ती नेहमी जमिनीवर खाली पडते. ती ग्रॅव्हिटेशनल फोर्समुळं जमिनीकडे अट्रॅक्ट होते. हे एक्झाम्पल आहे ग्रॅव्हिटेशनल फोर्सचं. Properties of gravitational force: it is always attractive, it is central force, that is force directed along the line joining the center of two bodies, it is long range force, it is conservative force, it is inversely proportional to the square of distance between two massive bodies. Out of all forces in nature, the gravitational force is the weakest. See, this slide shows the direction of gravitational force. Second force, electromagnetic force. These force include electric and magnetic forces. Electric force of interaction is between two charged bodies. Magnetic force of interaction is between two magnets. For example, viscous force, force of friction, normal force, fluid resistance are all electromagnetic forces. Properties of electromagnetic force: it may be attractive or repulsive. Attraction between opposite charges and repulsion between similar charges. It is central force, that is electromagnetic force directed along the line joining the center of the two bodies. It is long range force. It is conservative force. It is inversely proportional to the square of distance between two massive bodies. It is stronger than gravitational force. Now this slide shows the example of electromagnetic force. See here, at center, wire carrying current. When current is flowing through this wire, surrounding to this wire there is a magnetic field. The orange arrow shows that direction of electromagnetic force, and inside there is N pole and here is S pole. Third type of force, strong interaction force. Interaction exists inside the nucleus, so it is called nuclear force. Now in an atom, nucleus is positively charged. In nucleus there are number of protons, neutrons, and there is attractive force between proton proton, neutron neutron, proton and neutron. This force is very strong, so its name is strong interaction force. It exists over very short distance. This slide shows strong nuclear force, that is in between proton proton, proton and neutron. Fourth type, weak interaction force. The weak interaction appear only in certain nuclear processes such as beta decay of nucleus. This weak interaction plays no direct role in behavior of ordinary matter. Now, weak interaction forces appear in radioactive substance. We know that radioactive substance emit a spontaneous radiation of emission. Radioactive substance decays as time goes on increases, it disintegrates. As time increases, number of atom decreases. See the example of weak interaction force. Radioactive decay. Uranium is a radioactive substance which disintegrates. It emits a spontaneous emission of radiation. Such radiations are alpha, beta and gamma. Now this is the example of weak interaction force. Now these are the four type of forces in nature. These are called as fundamental forces. Thank you.